Everyone must know.
Yo.
Yeah.
Doing it for Dave Hammer. Voltage. Kwame Stone G.
I been the
Okay, alright. Well, it's a boom style.
Come to Dave Hammer TV. Ha nene ma papa ni na ewo na wiei maba Yolo Executive Barbering Saloon. Ha na menu abema pa kwesi atwa me ama me ho aye kama. Pa ya mi shawati Yolo Executive Barbering Saloon wo Patase Holy Mary down wa ofin kran Kumasi abrochi na obelande eye Ghana. Omodia se we ba Kumasi Yolo Executive Barbering Saloon. Obema ho aye fe pa na menya sinitwani Kumawood actor. Na ose gina for MP Emma Manson Quanta, be too good, no. Honorable, Aquaba.
Yeah.
Na Bibia Boko.
Nyamia dum yetin kwan mu de ayala. Yeah, anya boko sa.
Ainti anya boko.
Se amomu no His Excellency Akufo-Addo ni na MPP abamu boni de. Niema nya bete o. Niema ede.
That's why you're fine. Me sure what sini why needy now sini man
Nyamia dum any His Excellency John Dramani Mahama mfama na ebono victory mfama na ebono na ehuru mi kakra adiase yeah for sure.
Anyway, ye mo kwa baba Dave Hammer TV so
Mejo yeah.
Michael Afranishe ni twase ache Kumawood days up till this time. What has changed? Am I you who show to say face no?
Jo me da se mechia tifo na hwefo a mo hwe nyina. Za niema kofom kakra de. So niema kofom kakra. Enti say face no. Na ya shase na gidi no. Ze niema ekofom. Niema kofom honestly. Yes, niema kofom pa but we are hoping sir His Excellency John Dramani Mahama bebana odi niema agu akwamu ama industry netimi asa peja senia ye peno yeah for sure.
Also kasa want to be His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ada dia na papa na ya ma wa anti de bia be ko bia je obondi
oh papa do just bia wa ye bibia ma menti na me boniti no na ye nyina Ghana ha se bi di ni kray ye beka ne kray papa no oye oye nyamsroni a ono no na mamu na obu ye no na ekoyie but nipa bi na antina sa fe na nipa tena se oye ne papa you know na koma da Ghana so a o pese o peja Ghana drum pempenso bi a wiase nyina be hu se Ghana ha se ne yedru enti na mkasa boni din na nyese bi a waye bibi sonko bi a na se bibi no amame dabi yeah.
Anyway, in those days I was starting sini itwa mekai now the home mapa but me who says they say no I say utrebium what is happening what just ni twa na say
actually me nya sini twa na adwuma no e ma hwehwe e na kakra bi e ba no so no omo de aye politics what they say say Kumasi hano enema bebre de koso say one kodom ono no ne party no akodom obi party no you know e bi kra on fro class be ye adwuma ne bi de make am but nya no so na se previous major idea me ye no e brace mu no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama e betra konya ne so a adwuma ne be flow ye nyina be ye bi.
You wait in China because of your political affiliation to a party.
Oh yes, we need Kumasi ni Ashanti region asem there. Kumasi ni Ashanti region asem the one kodom wo party no. Na kodom NDC party no. Enti no, you know, uni me ade ye pa we say we betimi aye pa but obi be catch say because of the party na wo do one kodom enti no. Oh, and your friend there ye fo obi foforo. Fine, ene there your mama sema but omo kan so hu say ya so nsuo and ya be so answer.
Okay, emo duba.
Yes, minim the America.
You say Kumasi producers ni na MPP for na.
Oh, me nka mu MPP for.
So why are they rejecting you for movie roles?
Me nka omu nyina MPP for but omama party sema didi omuti. The America who tell some guys adwuma de adwuma. Oh, any party so be a con of us or dom the party. Obi a ne right to say or dom party be a PBA. But what I said, but it be me money yet sabi a time. Oh, na mention I say, be me a few people. And now omo ye adwuma omo no minim so omo ye MPP for but omo ye adwuma omo timi ye the efre but majority of them no oh they will reject you or move you cry. Oh yes, for sure. Yeah, for sure.
Not just say politics no in one way or the other affect your career as a movie actor, right?
And said that affected me because the main no baby direction am any shese say no. Me know me who say me di me shese direction no. That because and yet na me be politics. Me started politics no na me 20 years.
You were an NPP member. Why did you change from an NPP to an NDC member?
Yes, because NPP 4 no can correct. NPP 4 can correct.
Why did you change from an NPP to an NDC?
So mun say me no didn't be free NPP no best call NDC NPP 4 can correct. What I say I didn't
now oh you stanch member no opposition gra.
Oh me say me since 92 me deep party na do boy time. Me one people now most of the people now who hold the positions in the bureau Ashanti region no mu no e my MPP. Oh yes obetimi akọ bachi what I say me papa fie e wo ampa me kropo you know obetimi akọ bachi na that time area and the Bantama constituency still no under Bantama constituency what I say those days now Dr. na be pre MP ni nyina no na me kan bi e na e dey call parliament what I say but omo nka no kre e na omo senior omo si ye omo niam no me be dom NDC party na me who say say party be say ho na me waste time NPP those days no na say me say me producer me be dom NDC ntam kra me feel say be akamakoma nim mo
when you mean what sense
makoma nim e wo me political career
omo nka no kre no me ntiase wo die ndi omo nka no kre
na wa wo hwa minua hama wa wo hwa NPP for ka
na wo kan wo say e die ndi omo nka no kre
e green a o maka say blue.
Okay, the na ye green am say blue.
Minua. The worship me a no ye MPP ni wo ma papa no asema me ke wote ase but on kan kra ni nkyerɛ. E bi so wonya akonya say me manya akonya na wo interview me.
Nti na ne wanya akonya na me bi say e den na wo hwa wo party ni ma na wo susu say na ye green am ka say ye blue and nti ma wo jaye e ma ko don NDC.
Minua. MPP.
Na ni nyina nti am for that bi say e den na Michael Afrani hu ya Obi ne bibi so chire na because people still don't get you why you stopped from MPP to be an NDC member now.
Minua hama. Say minua no. Me no free ma me baako papa baako. Na me no ti fie. Na sabe unu say ekomo de me. On na me chira se. Na komo e de me no. Want me ama maduane ani. Na obi wa bonten Emma maduane dia madwene beko ho ama mafa nipa ne se menua dan se me fa wo segunia because one hwe me yie what I say one hwe me yie odo ise wo de unya de ma me se menua no one fa ma me obontusu ni na che me sa odo no it is o che me sa odo dia then have to be with the person making sure say nipa no o kaba me ho o mama nije what I say Demika mpacho what I say ebe na me bu oh MPP for no enti o mani hwe o mu nkrofo Demika what I say o mu nti o mani hwe o mu nkrofo is a hard truth but o mu no enam say o mu ti Ashanti region to mo say oh ya wo mu tumu but me there ya wo mu tumu MPP party no nyam papa na teye Demika wo die say ma me can yes.
And now it has affected your career.
Oh, it affected my career. Wodo. But it was a wodo. Demika what I say. E didn't say obi eni se makrafa ni nie. Demika wo just na adwuma no kra e bi wo hin. On na me kira say.
For just series. So the other na series no so ntwa bi.
Oh, series ni me twa bi. Oh, me twa bi.
By now, my girlfriend, you can say by now. You know about Tracy Mo, a producer of movies. So, Emilia Bob, a producer of movies. Why haven't you been able to produce your own movie?
Oh, me movies me producer. my produce me movies 1 or 2 be.
See, a brand we are doing other than Kawazu produce.
Oh,
Sikani ho.
Sika we. Ejuma no musica we hifa.
When Sika cost standing for an MP woman so unyes can produce movie.
Now okay. Ejuma
means the movie is not at your heart.
Oh, that movie no dey akoma
so.
Movie no dey akoma so but the me person me kire woni say me na me politician sakra na me ba be star. I don't go to me can be say me started politics na me 20 years. Oh yeah, until me na me yes, that time na me star. Me started politics na me star.
How did you become a star?
Oh, true. Me starting me film career no. True church. Me chuchu masi nana my background. One get Daniel Dele yemo that ane nyina ko one church. Then the Honda is drama na starting him. Na me kasapa. Then na me eba na me footballer. Na me bobo. What they say na me footballer. Na me bobo. Nti na me kwa me say ball na edi bedru mpempenso bi. But the nyame pen no oh yeah. And all the med divertify movie site. Ti me started politics no. Na me mayor star kra. Eti politics in the ewo me mu. Eti obi be hu say bia we start na we stardom no and e politics no. Ewo me mu dada. Aha, enye stardom na mama ko politics no.
Na bo no ade na china onya ade ana.
Me ya ade na that time no under boafo ni you know. And a boafo ni and we are na boafo na. Dem me kan what you say. Boafo na. Enu nti na me bu baby say me nua no na me no tifie na odidi jame. Udidi na uma me na obi bonti so ni be no de na be frame say asumasi be sene na maria aduane na hu say wano awo komote be dia madwene be ko
una no se no obi sheda edidi na kaiwa anhwe a owure be say fi nipa kro na ka no asa ko be bia edidi kai wo no
enye sa na me pese me kire
say MPP ba na mo hwew no ma o fili na mo kaiwa me ka say wo mo hwew na mo kaiwa wo fa ho say wo betima say jai kwa MPP
dabi MPP de me nya de mesa machi akwa MPP bio
we sure
oh mark my words
unko MPP bio
oh dabi
nothing can change you
se me ko MPP na ka ebre we mu na saka me sa edam me ni ehwe MPP
na wanko
no minko dabi ade a wo so umpede na umpe enna
nso na wo mfesu
mi wom
na wo pepa
na me pe enna ma free ho
wadi mu aduane a ti say yesa ma mu aduane a wuni
oh dabi me ne hwe I have to be faithful to the NDC party. They make out yes mamika no or dosun ko omo de je me awowo atu omo de je me ba party ni mu de ba out say o man hwe nchen anhwe ba bia na omo timi je me de ba people na omo kire mu odo no sa odo no omo de kire me mania so what you say say me tani esako MPP a na just am your grateful being na me yes na me ungrateful being it in the NDC de me no ma na ekowu oh for sure
you know when would you produce movies and also feature people and pay them because now you are a producer, you have money. Why are you using all your money for politics?
Oh, say producer be no was Ghana was cases here because almost munyas cash, obiasi cash. As can be anyhow. I have to be frank with you. Obiasi cash, no. What are the rate and in the amount for producing movies? No, now, no, and go. They make out some American. Yes, and go. Obia na diverted to different line. Yes, seriously, no. In any moment, na series because can you fa. They make out say, MPP buy what position promises yeah, and near the promise I can see say boy say I don't know.
And this time na dum so nyina wo. Eno kra na man call for.
Dum so asem.
No kra man call for mu. Ka say MPP time na man call for ma. E ho no so no amanfo ne wonya adwen o.
Utie dum so dum enye dum so na mass ni call for mu. Oh yeah for sure. Oh, master. For sure. That's it. Oh, that's it. As at 2016, no, and not do so no echo. I did that. It's do so. What did I see in India?
A ship from Sanan, sorry, night.
As well, and this master. I'm a for Sikashi. Sikani, I'm a for Sikashi. Oh, what I say na producers no nim say MPP aban ba ma omo otimi asori afikro no masa atam na mpa mo
you feel say Mahama ba obitima pagya the industry no
na oguso wo ye
yeah ntina na office oguso no
yes wo cheska my ya busia ye koji wa wuti asema meka ye koji dia ba hye adwumu no mu kena ena ye mu bi politics ewo Ashanti region ha
Maslock nana
yes okay politics ewo Ashanti region ha what I say e can send be brave platform so near that day say ya ban ba but o ma ban ba ye so hwe and then the o ma ka say ye hu yanka but now it's too late aka 2 days ama obi akosan akogye sika e de be hye adwuma na tema ye de apagya only him former president John Dramani Mahama oye obi na wono no adwuma no tana koma so de make what you say what the adwuma you hwe presidents aba wo Ghana nyina Kwame Nkrumah Kutu Champon John Dramani Mahama ono na industry no film industry no entertainment industry no na da wo makoma so pa but yama more chance what I say and he says na do eba yi on baby na ni hwe na industry no na ni hwe oh how ma you oba ya we nya ho na ni
wona wo kan
na obi a mutimi ka say o ma si ultramodern theater e wo Kumasi wo Kumasi ultramodern theater bi wa na obi a wodwene industry ni ho a wobetime twantro say mo si ultramodern abra apataka si ase yeso nyina na wo innovation kra mo ye kra
ongoing
minua
almost ongoing
minua mo me enka no kra
ongoing so je say o mugusu o mo ye
we ye ultramodern apataka si ase e ho na ye jiwani ne ye occasions ye nyina na mo se mo ye innovation kakempo no mutimi nye mo ko gina hot kase ye si ultramodern theater e wo Ashanti region where is it e wo hin obi enka no kra no ntina make sure say MPP aba no ayentro mi fi ho na baaye ti minimum mo suban entro kwa
mo buy nema be so mo kan so my free SHS one district one factory mo nema be bring ti eno so mo hu ya na
nema be free SHS free education mo kan amo implement yi yen ka say policy ni bad policy obi nyina ba bia nka say policy ni bad policy because a constitution na free education wo mu no NDC aban ene timamufo no and di shame that time no MPP that time no ombokoto
better na ye NDC MPP ama minor konanim as creative arts people every time ye pese ye kasa bia na I say ye compare parties with parties intino can we move forward as a nation and as a creative arts industry? You bet me a pushy your industry na konanim sa.
You bet me pushy whereby I'm a show for no ebe the right thing. The right thing is saying saban bi ye aye ade na se ogya ho a ese ube toaso. Se wo toaso dia.
Na Maslock yon.
Yes, na there will be a 2 days because of one or two issues because it was an election year. What I say? Enam se omu do yo omu si ye no na wan hwe ya obaka se bia because of election ntin na bia obeye bibi ene omu jai ke ba ye se ke se omu to aso e ba ye omu so malo masa omu ka che plan se omu diska na ma ye ntua oh masa enti no sa ba bi ye bibi na se wa meto aso na je se efisu na politics ni nam enu tin na president mama say on do oba the first year no projects are guwa oja hoko ene de akufodo ebe friso a obekoi obeja ho nyina no be nyina se de be ya Ghana no be ebe to continue from there.
Okay. As creative arts people ma who say ye be to aba mo ye campaign ma presidents mo pese already meba and so how prepared are you with Tracy Kani and Asaribidi Akon because me who say 2015-16 before say Nana remember mo ye campaign pa mo we'll come to that. Why didn't you stand and win for the Manson Kwanta seat? yeah who dear quiet and see because it can't call parliament sansema okay no senka can you bring it on the motion anka but why did you stop
ma stop na say the mama we are say me quiet is man winning election is a win and lose what they say and
let's to amount
a bit to a bit and they make out as some can have me because of man trauma me but me lose election no fine and no there me lose I don't know just say and no name the end of my life I say me keep on moving in life because but
you go again.
Oh, so far as Kwanya Hodi holiday, you better say you miss open Kwanya Hodi da kopim say your vision no e betimi abem. Okay. Oh yeah, for sure.
And Costopa to be an MP.
And Costo na amayafo binum na amano abe Costo. They make what I say. This guy dey abe wura mu ama na ye de akoso. So obi ntro abamo a. Sabi enye sikasem. Eye asam wo be kan atu nipa na adwene mu ama na te ase akoto abama but say wo discuss di wonim say wo be scan ade dia nipa so de obi anu a na ma ho kire wo mu nti no obi be scan no because of scan no bia de say akoto abana ma no because of scan won to abana dey enfa ma no
nti en costo sa
oh ushe mu pa de ze gan costo eye kasa utie eye kasa but ye masika na di anim ye wo politics nim eno nti no ama akoye akosto
eno no to me actual sign say unko bi man na say without no can you still go forward to stand for the Manson Kwanta seat?
Oh yeah, for sure. I wanted the seat in there one day. Oh yeah, can be aso bedroom maybe am for betin maybe I there ase they make out there say
what was one of your campaign messages are now the Manson Kwanta?
Oh, me there. Me Manson Kwanta. Me ever since me no me ye wo me o manso mostly aso. Ye wo me no me kwanya de komikro me ngusu ko tada. They make what you say. And na me who say as I said me bi wo ho a ye nka say ye ade. Honam just say be small industries be empower the youth no for entrepreneurship making sure say o man kasa ayo mo sano dwuma ne ade so that no o mo makrum say o mo ba bepa dwuma ye dey aye nti sane man kitin say o ho da e be man nipa na ni aka because those days na yesu no ne ye do afu ne do banchifu na mafo free kuma se beto banchene de ko tina youth no make sure so be do afu na man ba beto e de akọ but now no fu bia ye dey anyhow on na me chena se ti say fu ni ho no e se nya adwuma bi ye dey e wo ho a omutubetime ye dey asua ama omoso betime ye dey akonkan akomanim yes no na someone na me catch am
come enti
oh now by obi this schedule and you know come they no on this guy
I was here actor Michael Afrande mushane live on Dave Hammer TV trying one by budget strategies are omo artists no omo de gu akwam edi rutu ama John Dramani Mahama for NDC so be in city no afi tie trying one ba yeah but this is Dave Hammer TV, don't go anywhere.
Yeah man, this your boy Flatello, they must spawn them capture and the dance all me tell them say. Flatello, come sing for them, baby. Dave Hammer TV, Ubua, Ubia Bua, what you say? Sacred President, 100, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, try on Kakrabiaba, actor Michael Afrane, Ewahasi, live on Dave Hammer TV. Afi, Mosi John Dramani Mahama, I'm on the neighbor.
Why Wimbu? And you say, now say on the fabric of the party.
I'm for Sufi say, Anjana and Fau.
Afari.
I'm on your Mahama fan.
And I'm Namabon, me musician. And they will be now born in your Mama.
Come on, can't pay songs.
No, youth, no. You know, the country belongs to the youth. Okay. So they immediately the youth who say Nema and Koyi, no. What I say, and they begin to create say, Omudi Bibe Bonum, and Omda Bonum. What I said, the youth know, Massa, the youth knew no money. And Mabu no money, Nema and Koyi. Oh yes.
Mama so Sane, Senior Mankoyi.
Mama order never been a good.
Call Juma Bebani as Abedesum, Yanya Kanyari.
Massa, Mama solve doom so issue no and son of free show. Oh, for sure, Massa, Mama Yan Cano cray.
Muche.
Now the comfort time no doom so new. what they become to some mechanical for times in the doom so. And only issue. The Yashan Trone Nada, a buying year day, a better soon. Any promises or promises here want to mean your bush or share, want to mean Nisuno. And the Yasha amount for, you know, Minia and Yamankoye. Oh, I could for
the stars are more person more campaign, what you're saying.
Maybe the stars and so be our office or be a campaign. I say, banana, I say, you would, a chamo, I'm a vote. They make out just a mamma.
Now, only you would.
Maybe they may go me a campaign because me declare, I may condition what to a master, I may a campaign. Edema, he says, John Drummond, Mahama. Made my home. And no more can so be a beer you more. And was to obey a campaign, my John Drummond, Mahama, dear. You would.
But some of your actions of the members are more tried, some more pushing John Dramani Mahama Eba into power. No, baby, there's so as a cost, like a Maya and saying what is a or more ye did the social media, the slave queenty, meaning. Most animal we are as actors are most more person who push ya. I am feeling saying.
Oh, say more personal issues now. Or man control more and I'm the better social media. One thing about social media, no, sometimes no say, yana mano or mukuta phone, no say mau buy na phone. Or person the phone ye be baby. They make what you say. Or person the phone ye be baby, you know. Or I can't go to the crowd person who try now the control mobile who's a baby. Oh yes, for sure. But near money cost, no, it won't cost the party no anyhow because. Oh yes, now
sure.
I better cost because in some of Hokan on the Caribbean. They make out as I'm in the Caribbean. On the mention I say yes. The Caribbean, your more personal life. Then you can say media advice. Me man say you can say I'm more better abonting or more personal life. And then you can say and you be being able to be better abonting. And you be being able to be better abonting. They make out as American. Yes, nipa de oha at least you know. And so no maybe how to make keep to yourself. And you be being able to be better abonting. But in some of the course, you know, more de tagi nipa bino and you know. Oh, yeah, trust me,
I see. Papa no, you know,
that's also your papa. Me, papa. As soon as your papa, as soon as your papa, and a tricasa, yaka. The American does here. A tricasa, yaka. Oh, no, Michelle City, papa no. Why say they will be their target? Oh, MP before try some of the better target will be better and fat. Oh, Massa. Oh, Massa, one parliament, I can't
it was on a lighter note.
The lighter they
you know, what can I say? You won't joke,
it's a joke. Oh, that's it. What here? And Palifu baby said, do you fear some more? Now, also fear some more.
They are dear Kosovo. Parliament most times. Omokasa want to go fast and maybe Chamuna Munina at the Asri. So is this an issue? Okase and all the Akota Parliament. And the Okas and no Chana.
Antina, there's Okan.
Never and yes, I am midday. And yes, I am midday, but it was on a lighter note. Your Casa BB was on a lighter note. What is yes?
I didn't know. Nippon or Moka or Massamuno. Or Mumu be dinner will be timid to be frame Kobo be dessert as one more be. And was all kind of papa no. And yeah, papa no. And yeah, Obi Anyanza.
Maybe also be Jivano.
Betima will be a Damica some Americano. It will never affect the campaign of NDC. Intimate affecting will be a no. Yes, to say the ready the obviously the reality I can say.
The reality of the ground.
The realities of the ground, no. Yuma. Papa no ever traso
you have papa no be no
I kasa me can say kasa his excellency John Dramani Mahama ebe any papa no his excellency Nanado Adonko Akufo-Addo eso be ye yen kamom ye evanton se ne so ne nwe ne hu de ye for sure. Yeah. It's papa no everywhere because he says John Ajokunku for your papa no, Ron is your papa no, Akufo your papa no, Mama your papa no, who your papa no. You know papa no you used to you kasa I don't know.
But the reactions on social media no is pointing a finger.
And make us say wouldn't ade no cry wouldn't evidence be why do you have to point finger on somebody say asumesia no you know the MPP for sorry you know muhintikra na almost say John Mahama omo ni omo yire kodakra na say omo timi ni omo yire na ye kra na almost say John Mahama masa be body pen na John Mahama ye onye bibia John Mahama nye bibia masa ye pe honest and truthful politician. He says John Dramani Mahama.
Okay, thank you very much, Michael Afrani. Actor Michael Afrani, and I'm watching live on TV Mati. Ti afi mo wonyumbia actors maya mo de kushianana.
Maybe no afi campaign no it doesn't based on song. Because 2016 ya tonyom ya nya jumano. Until me, I will entreat everybody, most especially my colleagues in the acting mood, say if they really want to campaign for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, dear, you find Dum Tunche. They make out your summer mechanic. Now, you Jumano, you couldn't be any bar. A one you know, you have born your massa. They make out your summer, you couldn't be a bar, why do you have to dance? Yeah, cocoon, a cone, yacono. Sabi producer ye nko eni kunim afena ye kokono na ye de nyum ekosa se ya hwe ya nyama be fire set nyama fire set 2016 no eti no me de menya nyum na me depend on because nyum no enye campaign ye nipa na campaign eti nipa no mom enko nipa na so enka nyuma pa he says John Dramani Mahama obeye ye what I say ni de oba beye atoa so no eno na 20% no depend to aba na ma wi a now the nyuma atato no the piano what I say
okay Michael Afrani and what's your message na aye campaign ba
na say na so wo ya we say aye campaign me wo ya we say Michelle Kwanchan na me campaign masa ye nia bre because entrono na da ne doso what I say NPP tran throw from 2016 2020 is just stay omugusu tran throw as if someone does opposition. No. Omu na ebu man, omu refi ohun so omu na ebu man no. Masa, omu nye de sene fata ema my Ghana. What you say? Enuti ene say ye mu bi de be campaign. E de tia omu na se be ya omu ba ko tranchen. Na John Mahama abefa kunya no.
Percentage usha John Mahama benya say na so benya say.
Oh say 50 plus 1 vote and 51 plus 1 vote. 50 plus 1. What I say? 50 plus 1. You pe win. What I say? Some me no kokosia kan ye born na ye ko bono. Me share 1-0. Na say want me and share that say me winning ya 3 points na me ya 3 points. Me ti me share 8 goals so say that na say Barcelona share about 8 year. What I say? Fine a plus.
50 plus 1 na mo pe.
50 plus 1. Me there adwuma na ye towards winning the election. Me predict because me prophet. What I say? Yes. Yeah. Win am here.
Is it what you mean there unyina biomon?
Time hotel.
And I know about YOLO Executive Barbering Saloon.
Oh, for sure. Me I honestly speaking, omo ye baby executive because it can say baby executive the environment, the treatment, the way you know the workers now address any other dinner is really executive barbering saloon
YOLO ye kama
YOLO there honestly speaking YOLO there obia make am for obia you are saying baby o free kan o free tamale o free cape coast o free baby o sa wo pe baby you tia we there o free takwade na eba o santas round about na woni kire patase no ona me kire say utie uda wo kire say o nyo obia de nim holy mary una nim holy mary wo dia wo tra patase wo ba run about na wo twa woni kire patase no ona me kire say first junction no there junction bako ho no there eko to kwan then the next second junction no on your left no quote akwa no usani say hoda YOLO Executive Barbering Saloon no yeah.
Michael Afrani ye actor osan ye politician yes and any din komo ye bompa say Daya was from say John Mahama beba power ebebo mama no
obeba Oh, one thing
Wama obede.
Obeba.
Wama obede.
Masa obeba. I'm not finding them cancer, Joma Mama power being prophets, big cancer, Joma Mama power being. Are you God?
Unji prophecy.
Are you God?
Unji prophecy.
Oh, Master, a bit more prophecy, no, based on baby on one or Musha Shankom.
Prophecy is baby bafa, John Mama, Homa, Obey.
And I may say, a beam gonna have a beam prophecy, no. Ultimu say, a stomach direction prophecy. Oh, Massa.
That's a prophet be rashe John Mama uncle mama abemupen. And I want.
And I may say a bimu DNA stomach direction. Ultimately,
Uncle man the stomach direction.
No. Ultimately, found some say John Mama can never be a president again. Are you God?
Don't you believe the word of God?
And I'm saying,
And don't be to believe the prophecies of God.
Say whatever they are doing, you know, I can't show muguso mu ye bia say embamuno. Ye mu bidia ye beya kwanche so atene no. Oh, massa.
Beya kwanche atene no.
Nada ultimately decides to say John Mama can never be a president again. Now me so John Mama can be a president. He will be, and he is coming to be.
Kwanche be na moye.
That kwanche so you can television. So
Mo Yesu sumu akwanche.
Ebi mu on prophecy be afa papa no ho tan. Da be eti na ko for the 20 no hu nsam. Ne hu wonsam. I don't omu professor anfa ho. Oh, then because ebi mu stomach direction.
No professor for say obewe ni no.
Oh, massa. Massa. Enti dia niema ekosui, niema ekosui. Ota say amafo komo na otumo omu nkasa. Omo si John Mama so. Massa, omu John Mama is our next president.
But when he found out,
Baby, I'm telling you,
like area be now.
area me wo. Me wo patase santase ntamo.
Tu be ya gugu kwan so kama yi na nansa no adwuma ya gugu. Enti nya ofe.
Say we asphalt overlay. We asphalt overlay nya kwan ye o. Utie, onko for virgin e kwan ya virgin. All that is so to ifu to kwan no wanya.
Oh ye bi.
Oh massa. Na John Mama otiso no. 2016 no. See na contractors wo kwa so omo ye adwuma.
Ezi bebre ho a say o kohwe ne enye.
Oh massa, obai na stop us obi afọ na adwuma ngu ho. Massa ebia wuwu up to date amfo da so tifie. Massa, and some ho ka say ka massa. Massa, enema APP ye no. Emfa kwa mu. Yentu Ghana for Madaroma. Mesre mo say muntu aba ma John Drama ni ma.
For sure o si ase oboa o.
Be boa say
na o kan o si bebre ho a oboa.
Me before God man me try
o si akwan ni bebre ho a na ba beye. O mo kra nam so.
Akwan beye. Akwan beye. We hard kwan ya quota no order da o. Ena wo di bia begusu.
Wafa techiman denchembo so boko ohwimase kwan so wafa so. So mo ye gidigidi ana o.
So mo ye.
Nti wonya ade.
Da bi na say kwan na contract da. Yo there wa contract.
Na contract da na say wabana or
stop wo mo ka ya wie da. Oh massa. Really
politicians.
Oh yes, sanity.
Politicians.
Sanity.
Anyway, yeah the base here yeah, but how serious has it affected you to put your career into politics? How seriously has it affected you?
Oh, media affecting me na adwuma na omodo ya policy we wa anti the we had the fresh mercy and is bad. What I say apart from that you are all Ghanaians. Oh na me say and na
be at one party.
Yes. Enti me nya nkojina party baako e ma ne nyeye ene na ka me na mo side ne ne ka obefre me na me free ho de ne ne on free fine de enye ona me say but because the politics now affect me no because I'm a politician and son be star. Oh yeah, and they affect me no me ho da na me no mu so da dem ka say o mpa mo free me and they still no I will still follow NDC, I will still follow John Dramani Mahama.
Thank you very much for your time today on Dave Hammer TV. Medasi, Yamisha, say on your busy schedules now, you the General Baha, and me didn't come on live on Dave Hammer TV.
2016, you know, no,
I'm a campaign man.
We're campaign man. Why?
I say, I feel they also won't stand you.
Who will be boss one
of Quam?
No way, you man,
of Quam is why I'm a container.
And anything that now Jojo Mizano.
I'm a campaign, Suma.
Wo kunta wo na wo be kan ba me. E go see kan. Na wo be kan ba me. Wow, what if that?
Say no kra me ye ma.
Oh ja.
Confuse kra.
Friend na friend my best studio bakasa.
No e dey.
Since I wish that they be mama no. I don't know kra na nya sam kutua.
Hey Mike.
Ya fa bia just dey anye ye.
Anu kra se wo lose you.
Come here say we lose. Obi asem.
Yeah, odana.
Obi asem enya me de.
Enya se wo be lose you dey.
Enya me de.
One win na as e wo lose you no.
Enya adwuma na da ho no. Ehia ma no kre. Se bi wo ho a ka se bi wo ho. Ebi ni ho a ebi ni ho. Jamaica would just American. See me, I have been an assembly member before. Okay. MPD and it say we are assembly member. There be an independent say we call on us and it can be a day. Actually, no who nema airco. Jamaica what I say. The moment who be trying truck is here and the transfer. Then the panel who say the okay and ma to no what did intro.
The number of American is no.
But we are on the international liar.
Eddie Bessie, your friend me Dave Hammer. You can't see it twice. Baby, I find it record here. Easy. The fundamentals will what? Will expose you.
Oh yes, and I expose you. No. He has become an international liar.
Oh, for my name. I say wakata when you but I say wakata when you say one person will be who your mind.
I didn't know my year.
Who near be uncle free as it.
Na se phrase Ghanaian every Ghanaian in the mandate to say
go be now say to school fees na se see a untua anka that can untu fanya bi na pa adwuma ye adwuma wadwuma ye na se wadwuma e koso ye ngu wadwuma na se de bia wo adwuma ne skaba wo semwa e be the dada phrase education in ma ye no se na etua ye ma school fees etua free as just no enya na
ayo me say nya bad policy
yeah na me enjoy it
and me say because enyo ne mom no the timing was wrong what I say any baby eni ma omo ye no enim ti na his excellency John Dramani Mahama say oba obey review on can say obey abolish free education no what or see it has come to stay. It will be a review. Now the near man atutu na kwan because school dying no was CBA mama for who say was see school dying. School then you as a hotel. Me no mo me kan okre.
School then you as a day.
As a hotel.
Hey, asemu afi ye my politics ni devoid of insults and ade bia de ntiko bebe bia yenyi fro na oh yeah so kind of sad that means why be that
that say who deal panyini atamo a sebe impreduasa no why a big mistake you know can what
issues and
issues na ka ya time asem ne yan time nipa
MPP ni ba kwa be kan ho next time
why ne o muna boso wi o
MPP fo ai no aka na the NDC for now so aka na afi ya hwe ne be koso
mani beji
next week jame adoma
mani beji because ambassador ya ka che no so mo enche no mo to twede o oh they ya who said that be David wano bro mo so na say who asama kan kra no masate say o mo to twede patapangwa bas
at the higher party school Abusia Michael Friday na mutede nkano osi obeto ma NDC na oso beto ma wan hwe wasitinem na to abapa hwe okwan ayaya ma o na to abapa hwe free SHS ayaya ma o na to abapa
na to aba hwe wasitinem
one district one factory na to abapa
hwe obotom wasitinem na to aba
Ausia Dave Hammer TV de afi abato because yenye bibia boko yakra mu nyina
yo I'm for way I'm so for me den de kwaku man no make catch us way Dave Hammer TV Kumasi de you ka Dave Hammer Hello FM why ba kope ba the TV so na me gine what you say anu odin santo ya santa ya bolombo I'm love it.
Yo. Doing it for Dave Hammer. Voltage. Kwame Stone G. Okay, alright, well it's a boom style.